Good morning, dear children. So, today we are going to learn about long division. Along with my explanation video, I have attached two more division videos from YouTube so that you can just go through them also. What are the different ways and how it is going. So, after my video, whenever you have time, you can see them also. Now, we have four sums over here. We'll be trying to do two sums. And there's two I'll give you to do. Okay, so practice. I hope till now whatever maths work we are doing is complete in your copy. You're following the instructions of practicing in rough copy, doing the work in fair copy, and also practicing in your NCERT book. So let's start the question. Long division by one digit. One digit means it can be, as you know, you study further and further, the digits and the numbers increases, expands. Similarly, over here, when we are seeing, we are doing long division by one digit. That means division will be done by one digit. Now, I show you there are some terms. There are some terms in division. This number, when we draw this, suppose we write 45 in this and 5 here. So, this is called divisor. Okay, so this is called divisor. Again I show you, there are two terms 45 and 5. So the number from which we divide the number is the divisor, and the number which is getting divided is the dividend. What it is? Dividend. Whatever number will come with which helps we will divide, it will be the quotient. It will be the quotient. Right now we are going to get the quotient, and after a time we will get the sometime when it is not completely divisible and something is left, we get a remainder. So let's today only learn about divisor, dividend and quotient. Now suppose I make 45 by 5. Okay, now first of all we see whether the whether this first digit is can be easily divided by this or not. But with this case 4 cannot be divided by 5. It is not possible to divide 4 by 5. Why? 4 is a smaller number than 5. Nowhere in the table of 5 4 can be seen. As up till now you must have seen that division and multiplication are interlinked. In the last exercise which we have done, you can easily say that division, suppose I tell you 35 can be easily divided by 5. 7s are okay, and if you multiply 5 into 7 you get 35. Simple. Or you divide 35 by 7, you get 5. So all these things are interlinked. Now when first number is smaller and cannot be divided, then we take two numbers. We take these two numbers. Okay. Now it can be very simple. Very simple. Here we'll get the remainder 0. And now quotient, if I write it like this, 45 divided by 5, then what is the answer? Can we read the table of 5? Yes. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. Yes. So here now we can write 9. Here we can write 9. One more thing. One more very important thing. As you are beginning and you don't make a mistakes, when you write 5 and 45 and 5 over here, now this first number cannot be divided, write a 0 above it. Write a 0 above it so that the place value doesn't vary. Why? Now it will go by 9. We know 9 is ones. Suppose if I don't write it 9 over here and we write it in front, the place value will change. We are writing 9 above the tens value. So that will be wrong. So we will write 45 here. Now we minus. Whatever comes down we minus. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. It is all done. What will be our answer? 9. Our answer, a quotient will be 9. Now let's see another example. Another example is 42 divided by 7. 42 divided by 7. Now again start reading the table of 7. Now first tell me, is 4 can be divided by 7? No. It is a smaller number. So what we will write above here? 0. Now we cannot divide, then we will take both the numbers. So 42 we will say the table of 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. And before we complete this, children, learn by heart your tables. Your table should be on your tips. Okay, so 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 40. What is 7 sixes are? 7 sixes is 42, 7 sevens are 49. So 49 is more. So let's go back a jump to 6 are 42. So we have got 7 6 are 42. Minus this, always whatever is up there will minus. 0, 2 minus 2 is 0, 4 minus 4 is 0. We got it. We got it. It is simple. Now if we see these two sums, 38 minus 6. So these are the sums with remainder. We will be practicing these sums in the next class. In the next class today, we will be only learning about the numbers divided by the direct division. It is divided and no remainder is there. Now, see you in the next class. Till then, practice more sums. I will be giving you some more sums along with this PDFs and classes, and you will practice. And if you want to see the remainder one also, it is easy. You can try. Whatever is left down is called the remainder. So you can easily try this also. See you in the next class, children. Bye, and please learn your tables and practice well.